Hi everyone! Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel, Hybrid Jamaican-American Art, a special kind of art. I'm back to cook my Jamaican brown stew chicken wings with a Haitian twist. I start by heating some oil in the pan. And you don't need a whole bunch of oil, just a bit. And once the oil starts heating, then you start putting the chicken in. Now, as I've said in previous posts of cooking brown stew chicken, you don't have to get the chicken brown in the oil. Just enough so that it starts cooking. And once it starts cooking, then we add some water to start cooking it down. Okay, it's not bad. Now, being that I've added epis to the brown stew chicken, adding browning might seem a little bit extreme. So I'm going to add browning, but not as much as normal. That way, it'll still be brown stew chicken. With an epis twist. And then we're just going to let the chicken cook down. Of course, like me auntie told me, you have to keep your eye on it. Keep turning it because you don't want your chicken to be overcooked on one side and undercooked on the other. So you just keep eyeing your chicken, adding more water when need be. And these are wings, so they are going to cook faster than chicken normally would. I'm just going to add some more water. A little trick I like to do when there's leftover seasoning. And when I marinated it in, that's really what I mean. Leftover, marinated. I like to do that. So now I'm just going to let the chicken cook down. And cover it, let the chicken cook down. Maybe add just a bit more browning. Because it is still brown stew chicken. It's just, again, trying to give it a little Haitian twist. And if you're wondering why I'm doing that, it's because, like I said in my previous video of seasoning this, was me Jamaican auntie taught me how to make brown stew chicken. And being that I'm an auntie to a child of Haitian background, this way I'm combining the two. Again, keep your eye on it. I can tell already it is going to need more water. So we'll be back for that. Okay, so the wings are getting close to being done. So I'm going to turn down the heat. Just keep stirring it. Still keep my eye on them. And as you can see, the gravy because it has epis in it. It's going to be a little bit different. But still going to be good. So I'm just going to let it sit for a few more minutes. And then my Jamaican brown stew chicken wings with an epis twist, a Haitian epis twist, will be done. So there you have it. My Jamaican style brown stew chicken with a Haitian twist is ready. I like the look and the taste of these chicken wings. Again, I have to admit, combining browning and epis may sound a bit extreme, but epis is often combined with other sauces. And again, being my Jamaican auntie taught me how to make Jamaican brown stew chicken, and I'm an auntie to a child of Haitian background. I decided to combine the two cultures into one. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. I hope you try and like this unique form of chicken and return to my page, as by God's grace, I plan to be back with more Jamaican cooking and other art aspects of high-rated Jamaican-American art. Till next time.